for those of you wanting to know, it is a Morissette reaction tonight. We're so excited. So,
love our girl.
We are gonna just roll it, and you guys will know right away what it is.
How can I just let you walk away? Just let you leave without a trace.
Can they see?
Ooh.
When I stand here taking every day.
See?
You're the only one who really knew me at all.
They're driving.
Wish 107.
Oh, they're driving around
They're
town.
driving.
That's my favorite part. Wish 107.
All I can do is watch you leave. 'Cause we share the laughter and the pain.
But that, she's...
Look at everything working
She's-
in a great way.
Totally, and she's singing on a bus as it's driving. Who does that? She's
She's
just...
holding back.
Oh, I mean, it's just like...
There's nothing left here to remember.
There it was.
There's her squeak. Squeak?
That was it. It's just like all tight in that bus. It's great. That relaxed jaw is so crazy good.
Coming back to me is against the odds, and that's what I've got to face.
Whoa! You know I love a good low.
Yeah, get low, girl,
I
get low.
love the low.
That's so good.
She dipped in for just a second.
She sure did. She teased that whole little last
Oh my
3 or 4
gosh.
seconds with everything she could without being too much.
Without being too much.
No, it was
She's
incredible.
she's a master of her voice.
No, she is. She really is. And she's riding around town on a bus. Who does that? I would be distracted by like the car that's about to hit the... Actually, I would probably hit the bus or the car in the bus, even if I'm not driving it.
Yeah.
I hit something coming here tonight.
Oh.
That was pre-wine.
That was pre-wine, I know. But you know what? It was tiny and it was not even a scuff.
No, it's a scuff,
It's
but
a
it can be buffed.
We can buff that scuff.
And it's coming back to me as I can't stop. There's a chance I'm gonna cry.
Oh my gosh. What the heck?
One breath. Okay, so
How? That's...
you know what I was about
How?
to say is in the best way for her, she's kind of underperforming this song until she just opened up right there.
Yeah.
But I love that because so many artists, when they try to cover a song that a diva or an insane just, icon has done, when they try to recreate it, they try to overdo it. She's not overdoing it at all, but here she is opening up finally, but in a good way, right? Like we want so much more.
Yes, and...
Right?
No, for sure. And a lot of times in sessions, at vocal sessions, I talk with clients about, taking people on a roller coaster journey through the song. Because that's really what it's like. I mean, people around the world love roller coasters.
Yeah.
I don't really like them because,
I love roller coasters.
We've all established and I puke on rides.
Yeah.
But the roller coaster journey, be it a ballad or up-tempo, whatever, is really what happens inside of a song. And it's all individual and specific to the song and the artist, everything. But that right there was like everything a roller coaster can do in those few seconds.
Literally.
Everything.
And you know what?
And
she was in her body language, she's feeling it some. But one thing that makes me so a little bit annoyed is when artists do this, as they do their licks, trills, and runs. And
there's one artist that really does it. We won't mention her name, but
she is doing insane licks,
knows.
trills, and runs, and she's just like, she's letting her body move because music is movement. And so I think it's important when you're doing some intensive mastering of your vocals to let your body move, but she's not trying to visually see it and create it in her hand to marry into her voice. She's just doing it.
She's doing it. And, I mean, the movements, they're just good for visuals, right? Like, I mean, just even in this moment, like...
So good for visuals.
That's fun.
Love them.
It's fun. Okay, we got a little more. Let's go.
Yeah.
Take a look at me now.
Oh, that was it.
That was. We always do that.
We do.
Look at her sweet smile.
Oh, wow.
That
Gosh,
was
that's
it.
so good. We could have just finished that. Yeah, I mean, you guys know we love her. She's fantastic. She is truly a master of her vocal.
Yeah.
But I think what I love about her so much is that she doesn't overdo it.
Right.
It's so tasteful.
So tasteful.
It's incredibly tasteful,
it's
like this
so
free wine that
good.
we have tonight.
Good.
Until next time, I'm Jason Catron and she's Katie Tubman. We are from Love.
I'm Katie Tubman and he's singing over my line.
Yeah. Bye, guys. We love you.
Love you so much.